What's up, YouTube? Today we are changing the air intake on the charger. Yes, I'm finally doing it after having it for 2 years. I should have been did this. It's so simple. I should have been did it. Just like I'm finna do a couple things after this. I can't tell y'all. You're just gonna have to tune in for every video. I'm not finna give y'all little leaks and shit. No, y'all gonna have to tune in. But that's what we're finna go do. Finna run up to AutoZone or O'Reilly's. That's where I ordered it from. I got my cousin with me. I thought you were gonna.
Oh, do that type shit.
All right, y'all. We just got back to the crib. It took us a little minute because we got distracted. We went in there and bought towels and some more. I tried to get battery for my key fob or for my garage, and that ain't even working right now. So we haven't heard. Just playing around. We finna get back to the video though. I did go get the air intake. It's in the trunk. You can't see it obviously because we in the car.
Well, duh.
But when we get out, I'm gonna show y'all everything. We gonna get right to it when we get in the garage. It's kind of sprinkling a little bit outside, as you can see. So we gonna be in the garage, not gonna be outside. It's starting to clear up a little bit, but ain't no point of being wet outside trying to put an air intake in that's gonna get wet. That's stupid. They ain't gonna turn the car on and sucking hydroplane shit. So
Hydroplane?
or hydro like this. He know what I meant though. Y'all know what I meant. Hydro lock. Anyways, we finna get back to it in a minute. I'm gonna catch y'all. All right, we back. It took us a little minute. I had to watch a video, and then I was low-key kind of wait for the rain to die down. So, but we back. Got the air intake. K&N. Can't go wrong, K&N. Honestly, I was gonna get a different color because I wanted a blue one, but that was not gonna be here when I wanted it. So I was like, man, I'm gonna just go ahead. It really don't matter because I don't pop my hood like that. It's a Scat. I ain't no Hellcat. I ain't take my hood off and doing all that. I'm not one of the cringy ones that got a Scat and just want to do everything to that shit. Like, no. I'm not finna do that. So we finna do this. I'm finna disconnect the battery. We gonna pop the hood real quick. Show y'all what we actually changing. Changing this guy right here. The stock one. Gotta get out of here. I'll be back with y'all in a minute. We finna disconnect this battery. Look at that filter. It's for the outside of this. You put that on the edges of that. I remember because last time we got a K&N, like I said, bro, on my old Scat, I had a K&N too. When you installed this, I think it's the same exact one. It should be pretty easy to do. Do a little time lapse maybe or something. So y'all gonna see us when we get done putting all this stuff together. We got hardware in here. So yeah, let's get to it. Cool. My shit wasn't even plugged in. Look at this. Look, y'all. I just removed the engine bay, the cover, the engine bay cover. Tell me why this wasn't even. I know you lying. I know you lying. Ain't no way. This was not connected this whole time I owned this car. I never popped this off and looked at this.
That's crazy shit.
Alright, anyways, so it's definitely gonna sound better now. I know that because this wasn't even plugged in, so this wasn't even never doing nothing for real. That just kind of blew me because I'm like, ain't no way. Like, I'm gonna get back to taking this stuff apart. I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. As soon as I turn around and finna put the phone back down to do my little time lapse, I turn around and it's pouring. I heard everything just start getting smacked out here. I'm happy I got a garage because we would have plans and would have postponed them just because of this. Straight pouring. But back to this time lapse. All right, y'all. Just pull this junk out. Big Bertha mug. Air intake. I'm gonna wipe this down a little bit just because I ain't finna put no clean air intake and no dirty engine bay. That don't make sense to me. So I'm gonna wipe that down. I got Cuzzo over here. He putting this stuff together and we gonna get right. Finally done putting this tube together. I had to take this off, transfer this, and then, this is new. I had to transfer this. So I finally finished. Transferred this from the old tube. I think this is flush. I really want to push that down a little more because y'all can see that little gap right there. I'm gonna push it down just a little more. And then because I'll finish the heat shield. So we finna start putting this stuff in. Finna wipe this down real quick and then do another time lapse. It's not gonna take us too much longer.
Cap.
It only took us that long because the rain messed us up for real. We had to close the garage. We could barely see. Even though with my lights, I'm gonna have to get some LED lights in here because it was still dark. So we was trying to work in the dark. But now that it's done raining, we can finally get some more light in here to see what we finna do. Good?
Yeah, I was just looking at the car.
Dude, get a Mustang and just can't stop looking at it.
Scuba.
What you was trying to push in this?
Yeah, just push it in a little more without. I think you just gotta push it down to that grommet part for real. I couldn't really see, like I said in the video, but it's gotta be facing this way because that's where the air is gonna be flowing, you know what I'm saying? So I wanna go in between this part right here. If y'all didn't know that, when you're doing air intake, make sure that this is facing directly like that because the air gotta go through and hit that sensor for you to be able to tell what's going on. If you turn it, it's not gonna be accurate. Throttle body dirty. I need to clean that. Y'all see that? Hold on. Y'all see that?
Dirt pack.
Nigga.
Oh, dirty
Small
man.
pack.
I get a little 10 speed and don't know what to do. Yeah, I need to either. I really want to get a new one. Get like a cone throttle body. For real. As long as this line up to that, I don't really care. Cause this is gonna be like, cause that's what the filters. Yeah, that's what the filters go to. Just sit that on there, I guess. Just sit that on the throttle body. This came out. Yeah, that wasn't in there. I think that's better.
How you doing?
As long as it's going this way, it's fine. And then my which one goes right here, and then go like that. You know what I'm doing, boy.
Remove this out there. Now try to do this back on there so you not push.
Yeah.
You pushing it on this. This isn't on it.
Well, I gotta get the bottom.
I'm trying to tell you the bottom not gonna go on there. That's it.
Since you got your degree and you know every thing.
So you need a new one of these?
I'm in here, putting my hand in here trying to put this bottom clamp on, and I guess I pushed my hand too far back, and boom. I'm blaming him too, because he told me to do something that I was not originally doing, and it was working already. Then he just made me do something that whatever. It's both of our fault if we gonna do it like that then. It's both of our fault. Anyways, I gotta go get a whole new math sensor. We looking for one right now. Hopefully it's one in stock. Cause that just blew me, cause I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute when we figure out what we finna do about this, cause hopefully somebody got it in stock today. I'm not trying to wait until Monday just to finish this video. We just end up getting this. Hopefully this is the right part. Because it looks exactly like it. The only difference is the tips.
Pause.
A little different. This is blue, obviously. And then this tip is black. So hopefully they the same exact thing. It's just a different tip, like, or whatever. But we gonna try this. If that don't work, I'm gonna have to order it, and it's not gonna be here till Monday. And then I guess that's when I'm gonna finish the video. Damn, what type of BMW that? Look, okay. Little BMW M2 junk. Yeah, I'm already knowing they got temp tags still on that junk. Little BMW 2 junk. He got me in this low Mustang, cause I'm trying to get out of this motherfucker, but he helped me out all, so it's cool. You can hear it though.
Nice.
Yeah, it sounds like it got a little, I don't know, cause BMWs really come like that, but it could have
that turbo on there.
Yeah, it got a little tune or something. Gotta have. That thing's crazy.
It might have a little downpipe. That bitch too deep.
That's what I'm saying. Cause even what you wanna call it, the homeboys don't sound like that. He got a what? An M5? M550, cause twin turbo V8. We finna go back to the crib, so I'm gonna catch y'all when we get there. All right, y'all. We got the tube on. We got the heat shield here, and now we got to cut both of these tubes. This is an adapter. This goes on there, and then this tube connects to this part, so it sits in here like this. But cause I'm cutting that real quick, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get done. All right, finally got this on. We got the sensor connected. Now it's time to finally open up the part that I think we all been waiting for. Hold on, open this. Yeah.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new.
Okay, K&N. It already oiled up. I mean, we just gotta mount that mug and we be gravy. But I'm gonna start the car, make sure, yeah, everything cool, no wind is coming from certain places, and then I'm gonna be done rocking and rolling. So I'm finna hook the battery up real quick, and then it's gonna be a cold start. So we're gonna see how it sound with this on there. Once I warm up the car, we're gonna do a couple revs, and then we're gonna be done. So get back at y'all in like a couple of seconds to y'all, but like forever for me. No earth. Put the cover back. I'm finna give y'all some ribs, and we gonna see how it sounds. Hopefully you can hear it. I think you'll be able to hear it, cause I'm finna record for me though. It sound good, y'all? It sound good?
Hey, let me rev it so you can see what it sounds like.
I mean, he gonna rev it and get my reaction, so this gonna be my real reaction. I heard it a little bit, but we gonna see.
Nice.
Yeah. Damn. That's a major difference, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm happy with this, I ain't gonna lie. It sounds decent for sure. I gotta put it in sport for real. Appreciate everybody that said that in the video. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna drop another banger in like a week or two. Tell somebody about these videos, bro. If you got a little cousin or a little brother or somebody that like cars, just go ahead and be like, oh, you should be watching this. You should be watching More for More. Like, I gotta get the word out a little more for y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. More for More. Like, comment, subscribe. We out.